Hi everyone, this is Recho. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Everyday Kenya. Today guys, I want to show you what we'll make, but before we proceed, please make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, give a like, comment and share. I've been cooking dinner, lunch, snacks. Today I want to show you how to make easy, delicious breakfast, and let me take you through my ingredients. I have chicken breast here. I've cut in stripes and I have marinated. The marination which I've put, I will leave it in the description box. I will need a knife. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I will need ripe avocado, 4 spoons and a bowl because I will show you what I will do with the avocado. I have some butter and I have the sandwich maker. First of all, I want to wash my hands with this soap. If you watch Everyday Kenya, we have shown how to make this soap. Make sure you watch it. Very nice for the face, for the hands. Inakuacha hands very soft. Without wasting time, let's start. First we heat our pan. The pan is hot. We put the oil. You spread it. Then we are going to put strips to cook. Make sure the oil is everywhere. You see one side has changed color. You flip it. There's no bone in this one. It will not take much time, maybe 5 minutes, and it is done. Don't make it too hard. Next, I want to make my avocado here. I'll cut into half. Then you twist it. Don't leave anything. Take a fork. Mash it, but not that mashed so much. That is good. Then we are going to put some salt for taste. Black pepper, just kidogo. Then you are going to mix. Then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the mashed avocado. For mine, I will not remove sides. I like with sides. For the other side, I'll just put butter like this. Then the stripes like this. I'm telling you, this is the healthy breakfast. You must try it. And squeeze. So when you take a big bite, you feel nice. Then we are going to do like this. Then on the sandwich maker, I'm just going to rub some butter. It will help not the bread to stick. Small. Then you take your sandwich, there, like so. Then we are going to close it. We're just going to wait. My breakfast is ready. I'm going to taste. I like ketchup and mustard. It comes very nice with sandwich. This is very healthy. So you have seen, guys, you can make it is easy, fast and delicious breakfast. Thank you so much, guys. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do so. Press the bell icon. Usiachwe nyuma when we upload new videos. Thank you so much. See you next week, episode 17. Bye.